What's up, crew? Welcome back to another video. Thank you so much for tuning into today's episode. I have an awesome video in store for you. Today I'm going to show you my absolute favorite go-to hairstyle to wear on an everyday basis. Let's get started. Alright guys, so like I said in the intro, today I'm going to show you my everyday go-to hairstyle. If you guys know me well enough, you know that I like simple, clean, I like easy, I like something that's not going to take a long time, and that's what this hairstyle is perfect for. For those dudes that want to have a rockin' hairstyle but don't want to put too much effort into it, this is definitely something for you to try. Alright, so the two products that you're going to need for this hairstyle are Hanz De Fuko Quicksand and Hanz De Fuko Sponge Wax. Now this is a really great combo pair of hair products because the Quicksand gives your hair a lot of grit, a lot of volume, and then the Sponge Wax just comes right behind it with a little bit of texture, a little bit of shine, and a lot of hold. So these two products work really well together, and they really do a great job of giving you that beachy hair kind of vibe. Which is why I love this hairstyle so much, because I love having beach hair. I go to the beach all the time, that's where I'm from, so this is very familiar to me, and it's something that I really enjoy. The first thing that we need to do is to get a little bit of the Quicksand. Now the Quicksand is going to be our baseline. This is our pre-styler, so I'm not going to get very much of this at all. Literally just a tiny little pinch of it. And as I'm breaking this up and working it through my hair, I'm going to tell you about today's video sponsor, Rose Gold and Black. Now, as you guys know, Rose Gold and Black is a continual sponsor of the channel. They make this watch that I'm wearing right now. They make all my favorite jewelry pieces, and they make some of the most affordable men's jewelry on the market. Literally, guys, their prices cannot be beat. And if you are looking for a way to improve your style, adding an accessory or a piece of jewelry is a great way to do that. So click on that link in the description, head over to rosegoldandblack.com and get yourself some of the most high quality jewelry for some of the best prices on the market, guys. And don't forget to tell them who sent you. Alright, so we've got this product worked all the way through my hair, and you can see it's already starting to give me that super dry, voluminous kind of look that the beach would give you. That's part of the reason I think they call this Quicksand is, number one, it acts as a dry shampoo, so it's going to take a lot of the moisture out of your hair, but it's so volumizing. I mean, I haven't even put a hairdryer through my hair. Just look what it's done already. That's crazy. So I'm going to resaturate some of that moisture with the sponge wax because this does have a little bit of shine. So this is going to be a really great outcome. Now with the sponge wax, I did get a lot more than I got with the Quicksand. I got about the size of a quarter, and it should look like this once it's emulsified in your hands all the way. So I'm going to start at the back of my head, move all the way up to the front, make sure to coat my hair as evenly as I possibly can. Alright, and this is the result after applying the sponge wax. Look at how much volume there is in my hair already. The Quicksand and the sponge wax together, it's like a volumizing combination. It's crazy. I don't understand how it does this. I mean, if you really wanted to, you could go in with a hairdryer, lock this hairstyle into place even more, but personally, I think it looks a little bit better if it's a little bit less organized, a little bit more messy and natural looking like it is right now. Like right now, it looks like I just got out of the water at the beach, ran my fingers through my hair and called it a day, and that's what this hairstyle is supposed to be. It's supposed to be simple, it's supposed to be relaxed, it's supposed to be easy, and it is, because you don't have to put much effort into it whatsoever. Alright guys, so before we go, let's show you the final results. Guys, so that wraps it up for today's video. If you like this content, hit that subscribe button down below. Join the crew family. We are growing so fast. We are almost to 3,000 subscribers, which is blowing my freaking mind. The support that comes from you guys is absolutely unbelievable. I cannot thank you enough. The crew is so strong. So if you are not a part of the crew already, hit that subscribe button and you can see when we post videos next. If you like this video, give it a big fat thumbs up. Drop your comments in the comment section down below, and I will see you guys next week. I'm out.
Nacho, 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 nacho.